Meaning of Grace Darling.
Grace Darling.
Grace Darling.
Grace Darling.
Grace Darling. Grace Darling refers to a real-life heroine who became famous for her brave rescue efforts during a storm in 1838. Grace lived on Longstone Lighthouse Island and spotted a shipwrecked vessel nearby. Together with her father, she rowed a small boat through rough waves to rescue 9 survivors. Her heroic act instantly made her famous throughout Britain, and she was hailed as a national heroine. Her bravery continues to inspire people around the world, and her name has become synonymous with courage and selflessness in the face of danger.